Hello everyone. Today we'll make this DIY night lamps, which is a decoration purpose. I chose this pattern, so let's start the pattern. You can write yourself or you can use it from internet. There are some patterns available on the internet, but I prefer to draw it. So my own pattern. So this is one pattern that I like. So now let's finish the drawing. We need a lot of patience to complete the drawings, and also if you are not having enough time or patience, then you can actually quickly go and grab images from the internet which are free. But make sure that the patterns has small size of drawings, like if you can see that pattern element should be 1 centimeter or low. So this is one pattern I like, but you can use stars, you can use love symbols and any other shapes, circles and also, but circles will be little difficult. So choose a pattern which is easy to cut. Okay, so the sheet that I am using is ivory sheet, which is a white ivory sheet. You can use different colors also based on your interest and your creative thought. I am trying to use it for the white light mostly, and or the candles, so I prefer white. So after you are done with your pattern, you have to cut the sheet. I am using this paper cutter, so that will be very sharp, so you need to be very careful, and also you need to have lots of patience. Here my kid is doing her own stuff and I am doing this one. It's always fun. You have to work with your kids so that it will open their creative mind. Okay, so that will be always encouraging. So people say that kids will follow you. So obviously if you do creative things, then kids will imbibe those things. So once the cutting is finished, I will show you the sheet, how the pattern actually looks. This is the pattern that we have and this is the complete sheet. I folded it as a circle and I want to use it for the light. You can use it for the foot lamps as you are seeing over here. So this is the special thing that I like the most. So this is one idea that I have. So I'll use a glass and the candle, and I'll put it inside inside my design. Here we go. This is very pleasant. You can have it on your table and enjoy the light. Thank you so much for watching.